If you're looking to enhance your photos with the power of AI, then this is the exact video you're looking for, because we're going to go over the top 5 best AI photo enhancers that are out on the market today. And let's just kick this list off, and the first one we want to talk about is HitPaw. HitPaw Photo Enhancer is an AI-powered desktop app that enhances the quality and boosts image resolution. It offers 5 AI models, including the general, denoise, face, color calibration, and colorize models, each designed to cater to different enhancement needs. It's a versatile tool that can make pictures less blurry, remove noise, and upscale images without losing quality. Now, if you want to check out HitPaw for yourself, you can get the Mac OS version for $39.99 and the Windows version for $35.99. Now, we're going to go over a lot of awesome tools, and if you want to check out any of them for yourself, go down into the video description below. You'll find links down there for every single tool, so then you can check them out today. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. But let's carry on, and the second one we want to talk about is Adobe Firefly. Recently, Adobe released a powerful generative AI engine called Adobe Firefly that is now integrated into Photoshop. With the power of AI, Photoshop's capabilities extend to features like automatic subject selection, generative fill, and neural filters, which can drastically change the style and mood of any image. This exciting AI integration will undoubtedly enhance all of the Photoshop tools that you know and love, and that we've all used for many years. Now, you can check this out for yourself today with an Adobe subscription, which starts at just $20.99 a month. Number 3 on our list is Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo is photo editing software that leverages AI to help users enhance their photos. It offers a range of features, including portrait bokeh AI, relight AI, sunrays AI, sky AI, and enhance AI. These features allow you to create out-of-focus background effects, light up dark photos, add rays of sunshine, replace dull skies, and control shadows, highlights, contrast, and tone. Now, pricing for Luminar Neo starts at just $9.95 a month, or as a lifetime deal of just $199. Number 4 on our list is Remove.bg. Remove.bg is a specialized AI tool that removes backgrounds from images and does it about as well as any service out there. Sometimes a photo doesn't need to be touched up as much as it needs to be repurposed. That's the case for e-commerce shops, car dealerships, and various marketing functions. Remove.bg is a time-saving solution for all who frequently need to isolate objects in their photos. Now, you can try this out for yourself for free, but higher resolution images have to be usage-based, and pricing starts at 90 cents per image. And number 5 on our list is Fotor. Fotor is an online photo editing tool that offers a wide range of features, including an AI image upscaler. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to enhance their images. Fotor provides other tools to perfect photos, such as enhancing photos, retouching portraits, removing backgrounds, and applying styling effects. There is a free plan available for you to check it out, and paid plans start at just $8.99 a month. So there you have the top 5 best AI photo enhancement apps out there, but the number 1 spot had to go to HitPaw. If you're an individual needing a versatile photo quality enhancement tool, then HitPaw is the absolute best choice out there. It's perfect for photographers who need to upscale images, remove noise, and improve the overall quality of their photos. Plus, with a native Mac OS and Windows app, it means that anyone can have access to this powerful tool. Now, again, if you want to check out HitPaw or any of the other ones we talked about, go down into the video description below. There you'll find links for every single tool so you can check it out for yourself today. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Before you go though, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more awesome content coming out that you don't want to miss, and we'll see you in the next one.